Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. And today we're watching episode 8 of Chainsaw Man. Last time on episode 7, Denji got rid of the Eternity Devil. Also, they started talking about Makima and how she's very suspicious, but she is very sus. And Hamino got a little too drunk, and she's trying to do some things with Denji that might get her arrested. But like I said, Denji, I mean, if you don't tell, I don't tell, right? That if I was in a situation, that's how they're gonna go. But with that being said, we're gonna see what's gonna happen today with that whole situation. So do me a big favor, like, subscribe, and drop a comment, and we're gonna go ahead and get into the episode. How you guys doing out there today? Y'all doing good? Go get your snacks. Okay, I'll wait. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Oh, so this is when she first got there, huh? Oopsie daisy. Damn, how drunk was she, man? Oh shit, bro, she was drunk as fuck. The animation is slapping though. Look how natural the characters look, man. Like, so fluid. I swear I thought some TD was gonna pop out, because I was damn sure about a little bit like, Hamino, you are drunk as fuck. So did she just grab the first person she saw and take them home? I wonder how many people she done smashed in that night bar. Okay. Okay, girl. Hey. Stop trying to make that chainsaw pop out. I told you. You playing too much. Let's go. Oh, she getting ready. She getting ready. She taking a shower like she knows she about to get some penis, bro. This man, you been kidnapped. You don't know what you in store for right now. This woman. Damn, she drunk as fuck. And you still drinking. I would not want to work as a devil hunter, like at this bureau, for real. Cause it seems like this shit just fucks people up. Damn, she's so drunk she forgot she brought this dude back here. Wow, this kind of crazy. What kind of animation is this? It's crazy ass POV. Hey, I liked it better from the other view before. I don't like it showing. Yeah, I don't like it showing this POV. There we go. Back to that POV. Yeah, let's go, girl. Yeah. She getting this dude drunker. So you drunk and you gonna get other people drunk too? I don't know, it's kind of nasty. But then again, let's be honest, when we're about to get some booty, as a guy, we'll accept a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? You kissing me and beer in your mouth ain't such a big deal. As long as it's not barf. On the real though, hey, Hamino, you need to chill though before you get arrested though, like for real. So she don't like Makima. I ain't telling if y'all don't tell. I don't know, but this POV angle though is like fire for real. Oh yeah, that's where we left off at. Okay, we gonna skip this. We skipping that because I ain't getting copyrighted. Damn, she is super drunk though. Have said, actually no, this would be a bad idea. If she's this drunk, no, ain't doing it. That's how you get in trouble too. Like this is fucked up, really. This is fucked up. You stop it right now, Hamino. Hamino, stop it. Stop trying to take off shirts.
いい子マキマさんとするはずだったファーストキスを
Oh, bro, look how he looking at it. He said, man, hold on. She fine as shit, though. Oh, y'all are dirty for this. Why y'all showing her crawling up like this? Why you showing this angle, bro? Like, yo, this is a crazy ass angle. Amino, you stop it right now, girl, before you going to jail. You are going to jail, ma'am. Dingy? So in there, hey, stop digging around in there. It's probably a dick. Oh, wait, what is that? Yeah. What is this? Why does he... That's kind of weird symbolism there. Dude, this dude drunk as fuck. Okay, let's see how you got into our apartment. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. It's fucking hiding here. Hold on. Oh, shit. All right, I'm back. My heater is way too goddamn high. Yeah, that was a real shitty... That was a shitty ass kiss, bro. Ugh. I hope not. Amino ruined it for you, bro. Open your mouth. What? Oh? Yo. All of y'all women at this bureau, y'all are going to jail, bro. All of y'all. Ow. Stop, man. Damn cat. Yo, get away from me, bro. Like, what are you doing? Cat keep like rubbing up against me, shocking me. Like, he won't leave me alone, man. I'm telling you, every time I do a recording, he just comes over here bothering me. Okay, there we go. All right, we good. Ain't nobody getting arrested tonight. Dingy ain't gonna get in trouble. Amino ain't gonna get in trouble. Okay, I got you. Good job, Dingy. Good job, man. You made the right decision. Because Amino was making bad decisions. She could have made them bad decisions with me, though. I'm just saying, she could have made them with me, though. Her girlfriend gonna kill me. She gonna be like, oh, you want to mess with Amino now? Huh? We're breaking up. Like, okay. Damn, she was fucked up. Pukey chick. You thought about it, sir. Stop lying. Ah, yeah. And you were definitely about to get thrown in jail, Amino. Okay. Huh? I know, right? Who turns down free food? This man is not picky. What? Oh shit, let's go, Amino. Oh, she wants Aki. She want that Aki thing, man. Okay, she's trying to get Aki. I see. That's a good partnership right there. Take it. His face, that's it. Okay. All right. We got new friends here. Hey, she knew what happened last night. She's trying to play it off like she didn't know. She knew what was about to happen. That's kind of crazy, though. Oh, I guess I think she's heading to Kyoto now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that is where she's headed. Oh. The animation, bro. This shit is slapping right now. Oh? What the fuck going on? Hold on. What's about to happen? Yo. Oh, oh shit! God damn, bruh. Hold on. Bruh. I was listening in my headset and I was like, I started hearing bags unzip. I thought I heard guns or something. I thought maybe they might have had like a pole or something, but god damn, look, everybody on the train like, holy shit, what the fuck just happened? Look at this shit. Even the train, I like how they drew Like, they drew the reaction on the train members a little bit, too. It's like, holy shit, what the fuck just happened? That's crazy. Okay. Some shit popping off. So, Makima just got... Yeah, they just took her ass out. Yeah, she's done for. Oh. Oh, so this is operation then. That looks so good. That dumpling look good as fuck. Oh, Grandma, you too? Oh, they pulling on everybody, bruh. Oh, shit. Grandma, not you too. Grandma, come on, man. Mama-san, don't do this. God damn. Man, keep walking. Keep walking, man. Don't look back. That was not a... What? That was all at the same time, too. That's how crazy that was. They was in sync with that shit. What? Who the fuck are you? I know, right? Really? Oh, wait a minute. That's still killing women and children, bro. What? Oh shit. Oh damn! Oh shit! Bruh! These motherfuckers are just pulling on people, man. Let's go, Power. Man, they ain't got no chill, bro. They pulling on... Hey. These dudes, bro, the Yakuza and this shit ain't got no chill at all. They are just pulling on people. They don't care if you at the subway station, if you in church, if you in the bathroom, or if you in school. They shooting you. I probably shouldn't have made that school comment, but my point is, they don't care where the fuck you at. They are pulling on you, bro. They're pulling on you. These motherfuckers just eat ramen. He was just like, yeah, you remember my uncle? Wow! Damn! Denji's dead right now. Oh, Amino got hit. Oh no, alcoholic wife who got hit, bruh. Put something outrageous in my mouth. What? Neither human nor devil. Oh shit. Oh, it's this guy. Okay. The katana devil. Yeah. I got you. You look fucking crazy, bro. Power stopping me. Okay. Oh, he's using that sword. Oh. He wasn't supposed to use that shit though. Watch yourself. God, there you go. Number 2. Let's go. So that sword looks like hell. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. What the fuck? Whoa! Whoa! Holy shit. so shit, that's an instant kill move. Okay. That's fucking crazy. In need of a doctor, I said, okay. He had a gun. Yeah, they all had guns, bro. They were using them shit too. The gun devil. Curse devil. Who the fuck are you? I was about to say, oh, bro, hey, get her away from him. Ah, fuck. Ah, shit, he's like dingy. Somebody can bring him back if they do whatever. I don't know the fuck she did to him, but she brought him back. It's not gonna work this time. Damn. You know what that means. Whenever they zoom through you like that, you done got cut. Ah, shit. Yeah, I told you. I told you. Anytime you see somebody do that pose and they just like, and it's just behind you like this, with their back turned, you done got cut, cuz. You done got cut. You might as well just try to sew yourself back together real quick. Try to hold yourself together. Alright, Sue kept him alive. Okay. Damn, he about to fucking kill the shit out of Aki, bro. Damn, she couldn't even see this one. He was strong as shit. Oh, the girl. Oh, the girl is worse than him? Oh, man. Come on, Hamino. No. No, Hamino. No. Hey, I don't like this. I don't like this music coming in. I don't like this I don't like this feeling. Oh, shit. God damn it. No, my alcoholic waifu, what are you doing? Everybody killed Hamino. Hamino's about to die. Whoa. Whoa, that shit's creepy looking. Wow, that's fucking creepy. God damn. So she's just disappearing. Oh man, this hurts, bro. This is sad. This is sad, man. No, Hamino, don't go. Oh, wait. Dad. Oh, shit. Whoa. Bro, her whole body is just disappearing. Oh, what the fuck? What is that? Yo, what the fuck is that? Oh, shit. Oh, man, she's gone. She's gone. Damn, all they left was her bra? Oh, wait, that ain't a bra. That's an eye patch. My bad. You know, you can see where my mind's at. Clearly in the gutter. God damn. What a fucking way to die, man. That shit was sad. That shit was sad as fuck. Well, Hamino's out. Hamino's gone. Everybody's kind of fucked up right now. I don't know how many people are alive after this hit because everybody got whacked. Let's use that old ass mafia term. Everybody got whacked in this bitch. Damn, man. Holy shit. Alright, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Hey, this episode is fucking crazy as shit. My alcoholic waifu is dead. Everybody else is in a bad situation right now. So do me a big favor, hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment. And come back next time for the next episode of Chainsaw Man. This was a fucking crazy one. I think it's we're on episode 9 now. Oh, I don't know how this is gonna end, but this shit is looking bad right now. Oh shit.